very young.
I'm 15 years old, yeah.
How long have you been here in the Philippines, Ben?
I've been in the Philippines 4 years now.
4 years.
What?
What brings you here?
My dad is working for the UN, so his name is
No
David
wonder.
Carter. Yeah.
So okay, if you've been here 4 years, you must have learned a lot of Filipino already.
Well, I learned the Filipino culture, but my school doesn't teach the words.
The language?
The language, but I learned the culture, the food, the history, all the beaches. So yeah, I really like the Philippines.
What Filipino words can you remember or phrase?
Ako si Ben.
Ikaw sino?
Gusto ko.
Yeah, very important things to learn.
Oh, yes.
Ako si Ben at gusto ko.
Oh yes. Ben, it's funny how you like the Filipino foods that are bitter and sour. Sinigang.
Yeah, I like sinigang is bitter sour. But pork tocino I like too. It's like sugar. but
Pork tocino.
It's good. Yeah.
Okay, so you heard the bell, Ben. That means
Tagalog time.
Tagalog time.
We're gonna put your Tagalog to the test. Even learn sometimes new Tagalog words. Try this out.
Pagkakaibigan.
There you go.
Effortless.
Nothing to it. Have any idea what it means?
You know, kaibigan.
Kaibigan.
Friendship only means community. Right?
Yeah, kaibigan is friendship. Friend.
Friendship.
Pagkakaibigan, yun, friendship.
Okay. And now use it in a sentence then.
Okay. Mahalaga ang pagkaibigan.
Iba na yung pagkaibigan.
Pagkakaibigan.
Very good. Parang hindi siya hirap sa mga mahalaga, no?
But
Parang,
Ben, this is very crucial. If you say pagkakaibigan, that's love already. Pagkakaibigan is friendship.
Oh, okay, okay.
So be careful how you say it.
okay, actingan tayo. Ito ang eksena. In the middle of your trip, you will see two girls arguing. And then, basta yun lang.
And
They're arguing. And then you try to meddle.
we'll just see how you react to it. Okay,
Okay.
Ben? Just follow their lead. And try not to get shocked by the girls that you will see. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, take your place, Ben.
Hey, you bring it. You need it.
Lights, camera.
Action!
1, 2, 3.
Pa!
Ang ganda dito.
O, tingnan mo na.
Mars, ano ba? 300 pictures na, wala pa tayong profile.
Tingnan mo, ayan. O,
Ay,
maganda
ano
ba?
ba yan? Madali. Ang iksi ng legs ko
Ano
sa
problema
pictures
nyo?
mo.
Eh, kasi siya eh.
Wait, ha? Ay, you know, she's been taking my pictures since this morning. It's so ugly. Di ba tayo look beautiful?
No, you're beautiful. Look.
Yeah, see?
Beautiful.
You tell her.
Beautiful?
You
Yes.
tell her. You tell her
No.
to make me beautiful in pictures.
Maganda siya?
Ang ganda siya.
Sabihin mo sa kanya, gandahan yung mga picture. Sabihin mo, gandahan mo.
Gandahan mo.
Oh.
Ah.
Alam mo, hindi ko kasalanan na maikli ang bias nitong babaeng to. Pangit eh. Pangit siya.
Pangit siya.
Sabihin mo sa kanya, galingan mo.
Galingan mo.
Sabihin mo, hindi ko kasalanan.
Hindi ko kasalanan.
Sabihin mo sa kanya, problema niya yun.
Problema na yun.
Sabihin mo sa kanya, maghanap siya ng ibang kaibigan.
Ibang kaibigan.
Ito lang, mo!
Ano ba? Ano ba?
Tama na. Mahalaga ang pagkaibigan.
Oy, mahalaga talaga yan. Mahalaga yan.
Ah!